Welcome to Goliad, Texas. Goliad is a city in Goliad County, Texas, United States, and is known for the 1836 Goliad Massacre during the Texas Revolution. It is also where the first Declaration of Independence of the Republic of Texas was signed on December 20th, 1835, with a current population of approximately 1,908 people. Welcome to the Mission Espiritu Santo. The mission was originally established near present Matagorda Bay before being moved to the San Antonio River location in 1749. Here for more than 70 years, the missionaries taught the natives the religious principles and craft skills they needed to be good Spanish citizens on the remote northern frontier. The immense herds of cattle that supported the mission population became the foundation for the ranching industry of modern Texas. The mission became a secular church in 1830. The buildings gradually fell into disuse, and the people in Goliad used the stone buildings for their town. During the 1930s, craftsmen in the Work Projects Administration and the Civilian Conservation Corps reconstructed the mission chapel, granary, and workshop buildings we see today. represent what the mission may have looked like in the late 1700s based on historical descriptions and archaeological finds. These are the last remaining walls from the mission's construction in 1758. Mission La Bahia moved in 1749 to what is now Goliad, Texas, along the San Antonio River. Temporary housing was built from log and clay, with construction of stone and mortar outer defense walls and interior buildings initiated, but not reaching completion until 1758. The mission facilities inside the surrounding stone walls included rooms to house the priests, the Indian families, a granary, workrooms, and a separately located forge. The mission became the first large cattle ranch in Texas, with nearly 400,000 free-roaming cattle at the height of production in about 1778. The large herds of Texas Longhorns and Mustangs were cared for by the Vaquero Indians from the mission. The mission inhabitants also grew large crops of grain, fruit, and vegetables to support themselves and for trade with others. Cattle and livestock were also driven to and traded with other missions in East Texas and western Louisiana. The mission ruins became part of the newly created Goliad State Park in 1931. In 1933, the Civil Works Administration began reconstruction of the stone chapel and granary following drawings from the National Park Service and San Antonio architects. The Civilian Conservation Corps Company, with funds provided by the Works Progress Administration, finished restoring the mission between 1935 and 1941. Additional construction in the 1960s and 1980s brought the mission back to its 1749 appearance. This mission was listed on the National Register of Historic Places on August 22, 1977, and is currently operated by the Texas Park and Wildlife Department.